Welcome to the Bald Brothers Banter.
And Happy New Year to you.
That's right. We are about midway through January. Just wanted to bring you some updates, some thoughts on what's going on in the real estate market. Todd, tell us, is the market fully recovered?
It's running like gangbusters.
Oh,
no,
yeah,
just kidding. So, what happens is after we get past Christmas and the New Year, what's happening right now is pretty typical to any year. A lot of the buyers that didn't want to do anything during the holidays are now coming back to the market. But the market has slowed considerably Q3 and Q4 of last year, and we're not out of the woods. We are still a little bit sluggish.
Absolutely. In fact, we've got a number of listings, and the reality is this: prices are less than they were last year. Buyers are still making offers lower than those prices, and so we're still engaging in price reductions, price adjustments, because buyers are on the fence with the higher interest rates.
Yeah, if you compare this date to 1 year ago, it's just a completely different market. 1 year ago, when we were listing properties, we're listing them significantly below, or not significantly, but enough below market value just to get a lot of those. Because we know people are writing offers for above the value or what the list price is of the home. It's changed now.
Completely.
Now, people are routinely writing offers for lower than list price.
That's right. And so if you're thinking about selling, here's a couple of thoughts that we have from sellers. A, Todd, are we at the bottom of the market yet?
That's a good question. We really don't know.
Yeah, we don't know for sure, but our gut and what we see buyers telling us by their activity is the answer is no.
Yeah.
The prices are still coming down. And in fact, the numbers that are going to report in January for December openings are not going to be pretty. And I think that the headlines in February are going to be splashed with January prices or December prices are down.
Yeah.
So it's going to be interesting.
The answer is we really don't know, but we're hoping that we're close. We're hoping that we're close to the bottom. We do still see prices still continue to go down, but our hope is as we continue to move on into this year, we'll see a little bit of a shift.
And speaking of shift, we also get the question is, well, when we do hit the bottom, how fast are we going to recover? And I gave this analogy to one of our clients or potential clients yesterday. I said it's a lot like the carnival slide, where the down is that huge slide we used to get in a sack and used to go down, but now you just ride you ride a mat or you just go down, but it'd go down, and then it would go straight. I think that's more what we're in for. It's that giant carnival ride where the bumpy road down, and we're going to get to the bottom, and it's not going to come back up. It's just going to kind of hang there for a while. And so
no V-shaped recovery.
Not right away. More like a saucepan, come down and across and then back up. So that's where we're at with that. That's speaking from our current experience here in Southern California. I will say this: different price points are reacting differently. Yeah. We do have one buyer that's now in escrow. It took them 4 offers on 4 different properties before they got in, because they were competing against multiple offers.
And that's a real good point. Just because it's like that in a certain area doesn't mean it's like that everywhere. Now, in general, that's what the market's looking like. But certain markets are hotter. This particular one that Aaron's talking about is in an area here in Southern California that the price point was in a very desirable, affordable entry-level price point, but it was also in a location, the proximity to where a lot of people work. It was really desirable as well.
And on the flip side, if a property is beautiful and it's just turnkey, those are selling as well.
Yeah.
We opened escrow as a company today on a property in the $2 million range. There were 7 offers competing on that home. So we are seeing it across the board. But again, it largely depends on the home, depends on the area. And so if you're thinking about selling, you need advice particularly to your neighborhood and your price point. So guess who you'd like to call? Not Ghostbusters.
Call us the Bald Brothers.
That's right. Because you know what we do?
We sell homes.
Yes, we do. So God bless. We look forward to working with you in 2023 and keeping you updated on the market. Check us out online at baldbrothersteam.com. Or you can go to our YouTube channel at baldbrothers.tv.
Yep.
And you can subscribe there, like, comment. We'd love to hear from you. God bless. We'll talk to you soon.